Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're traveling up Louisiana Highway 67, beginning at its southern terminus at the corner of Government Street, LA-73, and South 22nd Street in Baton Rouge. This area is known as Mid-City. We cross Florida Street, the business routes of US Highway 190 and US 61, which goes into downtown Baton Rouge. As the capital city of the state of Louisiana, Baton Rouge is the political hub for Louisiana and is the second largest city in the state after New Orleans, with an estimated population of 227,715 in 2016. The metropolitan area surrounding the city, known as Greater Baton Rouge, is also the second largest in Louisiana with a population of 830,480 people as of 2015. The urban area has around 594,309 inhabitants. Here, LA-67 weaves over and then under I-110, and in this curve, Plank Road begins. We begin to see a more run-down part of Baton Rouge with a lot of abandoned buildings. Here at this cloverleaf interchange, we cross the main lines of U.S. Highways 190 and 61, also known as Airline Highway. On the left is the Baton Rouge Metropolitan Airport. The airport was originally Harding Army Airfield during World War II and was used by the United States Army Air Force's Technical Service Command as a maintenance and supply base. Today, other than the runways, virtually no traces remain of the military installation. We enter the unincorporated census-designated place of Brownfields, which had a population of 5,401 at the 2010 census. We enter the small city of Baker, which has an estimated population of 13,628. The Baker Buffalo Festival is held every year in Baker on the last full weekend in September. The festival was started in 1993 as a fundraiser for the schools in Baker. The schools and their organizations are able to use the festival to raise money for their activities. Besides what they raise on their own, the festival committee also makes donations to all the schools that participate. It includes a festival, parade, Queen's pageant, and a car show. We enter the city of Zachary, which has a population of 16,760. Much of the land which the city now occupies was part of the 160-acre farm owned by Darrell Zachary in the 19th century. In the 1880s, Zachary sold his land to the Illinois Central Railroad, who built a track and depot on it. A village quickly grew up around the depot, which came to be called Zachary, after the original farmer. Zachary's first post office was opened in 1885, and it was incorporated as a city on August 2, 1889. A fire devastated the city in 1903, supposedly caused by a greengrocer trying to flame ripen his bananas. That sounds perverted. We conclude our video here at Zachary's Main Street, Louisiana Highway 64. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.